YouTube family, this is Julian from Just Facts Reviews, and in today's video I will be going over an extension for you that's quite special in my opinion, because for any of you YouTube creators out there, I would just like you to leave a comment below quickly right off the bat. What is the hardest part about creating content for YouTube on a daily basis if you do that? I'm going to go with probably making the descriptions, because the descriptions are what the YouTube algorithm uses in order to tell YouTube, I guess, what your video is about. And that can become a pretty tedious task when you have to make, let's say, maybe even something like 2-3 videos a day, or even just 1 or 2. But you've got to make these descriptions from absolute scratch. All right. So this is going to cover or help you solve that problem. So let's get right into it. As you can see on my screen here now, I'm on a sales page, and I'm going to go to the very top, and it's PCS Tube Growth. And what it is claiming to do is save time and money ranking videos in as little as 3 minutes. So let's go down through that, and I'm going to take you through the sales page quickly. I'm also going to take you over to the extension, which I have. And then last but not least, if you stick around later in the video, I have a little surprise for you that I'll put down in the description later of something that you could pick up to also help you with this tool that is absolutely free. Okay. So now as we're going down the tool, let's see what this, the sales page, let's see what it claims to be able to do. All right. Now, first off the bat, I see here, eliminate 9 apps and also payments. Things like Jarvis Conversion AI, TubeRanker G4 Pro, Video Marketing Blaster, Vidly, Content Gorilla Pro, VidCurate Alpha, TubeBuddy, and the list goes on. So they're saying right off the bat, they're going to be able to help you cut your expenses on a monthly basis by taking you away or having all of those functionalities combined in one extension. Okay. Just go a little further down the page here. And as you see, this guy you're seeing here now, his face all over your screen, is Daniel Martin. He is the creator of this extension. And I found personally myself, if you reach out to him on Facebook, he usually gets back to you about within a day. And I noticed he's also been upgrading this tool a lot since I picked it up. Okay, so I think it's an evergreen product. He's going to be sticking with this, and this is something that he's going to keep pouring himself into and making sure that it only gets better as time goes on. So as you can see, there's some more testimonials from him, him making sales using his own products. Now this tool's got a lot of cool bells and whistles. This PCS Tube Growth extension has got a ton of things in here. So I'm going to have Daniel Martin himself explain to you all the cool tools that you'll be getting with this all-in-one solution to your YouTube description software.
Greetings, this is Daniel, the Passive Cash Stacker, and today is an exciting day. I am going through the first rollout of my YouTube ranking extension, where I've been able to combine 9 different apps that I used previously to be able to rank YouTube videos, to be able to get the YouTube video SEO, and to be able to get a lot of the pieces to be able to also make posts on my blog with my YouTube content. So let's go ahead and dive into that now. Okay, here is an older video that I have created that I did not do the video SEO for. So we're going to go ahead and jump into the YouTube ranking extension. This is PCS Tube Growth. Now, we have several things here, plus we will have some things that are built into the YouTube interface itself so that we will be able to quickly and easily grab some things from the video that we need. All right, so the first thing that we have is a video series. So you can create a new video series, or you can pull up any of the ones that you had previously. So you can see here that it has the name of the series, it will have the name of the video, and it will have the YouTube short link that you want to put, and you're able to save so that you can save it. And then if you like this, then you can just copy it to the description and it'll put over here. On the side, we have a description builder that also counts how many characters, because in the video description, you have up to 5,000 characters to be able to put in there to be able to rank your video. All right, so we're going to very quickly go ahead and create a video series for my Keto Fat Snacks Cookie review video here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be pulling videos that I had. So let's go ahead and say create new. All right, and this is going to be my Keto Info review series. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my first video title. I'm going to go ahead and put my video link, and then I press plus so that I can do another one. And I'm going to go ahead and add 5 total videos for my video series here. And this is going to go ahead and help me with the relevancy in the niche, showing that I have other videos on the channel, and it's going to help me rank both on Google and YouTube. All All right, and so then we're just going to add the last few here. All right, and we're going to create a new series. Now, if we go down here to the drop-down menu, we now have a new series, so we can select this series. We can come down, we select this series, and say if we like it, then we're going to go ahead and save changes and copy to the description. All right, so now we have our video series here. Okay, then we're going to go down to the key moments. So now what we can do with the key moments, usually I will have this open up in another tab on the side, but with the key moments, what you're able to do is you're able to select the moment in the video. So you come in here and it's got to scroll down and you select the moment in the video where you have a specific statement that's going on or a specific place where you want people to jump to get information. And this is also a great place where you can go ahead and include your keywords or LSI variations of your keyword that you're trying to rank for. And so basically all you do is you come in here and you select the time. So, and then we have, say, 23 seconds, and then we're going to say okay. And once you have okay, it's over here. So now this one is not for this particular video, but I'm going to show you how it works. Then you just say copy to the description, and then it's going to have all of these links here that you're able to click on. And when it's in the description and saved, you click on it and it goes to that specific time. This also helps you rank on Google and all right, so we have our Fat Snack Cookies unboxing key moments here. And so we have the ones for the different cookies, the review itself. And so what we're going to do is we're going to click where we want it and we're going to copy to the description. All right, so this is our key moments. All right, now we're going to come down to the AI description. Now this is something that nobody else offers. This is very much like using Jarvis Conversion AI or any of the other AI platforms. And the great thing is you only have to put in a few of the keywords that you are trying to rank for, and it will write you description paragraphs. Now there are two ways to do this, and I'm going to show you both right now. So we can come down here to AI description. And then what we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and say what our keywords are that we want to rank for. So for the first one, it's going to be Fat Snacks Cookies. All right. So we go like this, and then what it's going to do is it's going to write us a paragraph for this particular keyword. But if we want to merge a couple of keywords into a paragraph, then what we can do is we can go like this. We can go ahead and say Fat Snacks Sugar-Free Cookies. And then you just throw a comma there. And then you go ahead and put the next thing that you're trying to do. So we'll say Fat Snacks Low Carb Cookies. And then we can say Fat Snacks Keto Cookies. All right, and then we hit enter, and it's going to use all of these keywords in our description. So let's go ahead and hit search. And the great thing is you can go ahead and get these outputs here. You can get one output per keyword if you want. And if you need some more, after you pull the ones you like, you just hit search again, and then it will go ahead and generate you some more content. All right, here we go. So we'll go ahead and take this, we'll put that there, okay? And you see here how it has our keywords inside our description. Keto cookies, low carb cookies, all of that. So it actually puts readable sentences inside here. And then what you're able to do is go ahead and generate some more content if you want. So then after that, we can go ahead and add another one if we wanted. We could say keto cookie review, keto cookies, and then let's get a couple more outputs. We'll say search. And what our goal is, we want to be between 4,000 and 5,000 characters when we are doing our description. And so having these keyword-rich paragraphs in here is going to really help us rank. It's going to help us get a high SEO score. It's also going to help us when we are doing auto blogging if it's going to automatically pull our description. So it'll definitely help. All right, so we can say copy to description, okay? And then you just look it over real quick just to make sure that it's everything that you want, okay? Now this one here is pretty good, and then at the end it has just keywords. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this to the description, and at the end where it just has keywords, we'll cut the keywords out. Okay, so we've got a couple of description paragraphs loaded with the keywords we are trying to rank for. All right, now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and search for our hashtag. Okay, so we're going to search for Fat Snacks Cookies, and then after that we can search for keto cookies if we want. We want to look for about 5 hashtags that are niche relevant to the keyword we are trying to rank for. And so you don't want to go for something super broad. You want to go for something that is going to be really targeted. So like right here, keto snacks. Now you see here, if we have the data on it, it will show you how many videos are using it. 3.4 thousand videos are using it and 777 channels. So you can see like how the competition is for that. So let's go ahead and go keto snacks. We've got keto cookies, keto cookie, fat snacks. Okay, now these are ranking hashtags that are actually being used on videos. And so it shows you how many videos and how many channels are using them. All right, so let's just go ahead and do one more search. Let's look up keto cookie. Now what you want to do is when you are searching for these hashtags, you want to make sure there's no spaces between the words that you're doing, because it's actually going to be searching for hashtags. All right, so we got keto cookie here. We're gonna go ahead and do a search. Okay, and so then we have another one here, keto desserts. And there's a lot here, but we really want to go ahead and make sure that we're getting ones that are going to help us rank, that are super targeted to the video, the keyword, and the niche. So we got keto desserts, keto cookies, best keto cookies. All right, so we have a good selection of hashtags here. Remember, we want to do about 5 or 6. We don't want to do a bunch because we want to make sure they do show up and help us rank for additional search queries. Then we can go ahead and look for tags. Now we have ranking tags that are going to be on the videos for this specific keyword, and then it's also going to have some of the auto-suggest keywords or long tail keywords as well that can also help you find some content or add some additional tags if you don't find any ones that you like. All right, so for tags, we're going to do fat snacks, keto cookies, fat snacks review, keto cookie review, low carb cookies, keto snacks. Now, as you see, these are actually tags that people are using, and for this specific keyword, it shows you how many videos are actually using that tag. So this also helps you jump in the suggested videos if you're using a lot of the same tags and a lot of the same keywords. So right here, keto, 11 videos are using that. Low carb, 9 videos are using that. Fat snacks, 9 videos are using it. So it's broken down on how many videos are using each one. You got best keto cookies, keto cookie, fat snacks cookies, fat snacks cookie review. So this is just like gold. It's showing you exactly what you need, and it's showing you that other videos that you're trying to rank for are also using it as well. Low carb desserts, low carb snack, best keto cookie, keto chewy cookies. All right, so we have our tags right here for our video ready to put in our tag section and ready to go. Now, what I love is we have a canned text section. Now, this is great for being able to save links, for being able to save your social links, your affiliate disclaimer, things that you use a lot. So you can go over here to the canned text section, and in the canned text section, you see here I already have some set up. So like right here, I've got my discount on my YouTube ranking course, but you can add any text that you want. So right here, let's go ahead and add an affiliate disclaimer. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put our affiliate disclaimer in there. We'll go ahead and title it up top so we know exactly what it is. Affiliate disclaimer. We say create new canned text, and now right here, anytime that I click on this, it's going to go ahead and put it in my description. And you always want an affiliate disclaimer at the very bottom. So right here, you can go ahead and have this if you're going to promote any type of offer. You have your affiliate disclaimer ready so that you comply with the FTC and all the local and country regulations. But you're able to basically put anything in here. So if you are doing promotion for a type of product, or you're doing kids videos or whatever, things that you use all the time, you can go ahead and put in. All right, so let's go ahead and create another one. So I also like to include my social links inside the information here if I want them to go ahead and connect on other socials. So it may not always be the same exact channel. So let's go ahead and go, this is the channel right here, and then we'll put social links. And so we save it, and then at the click of a button, we're going to go ahead and have our social links in there as well. Okay, so we click wherever we want it inside the description, we click the button, and it automatically populates. So you save so much time, and you're able to rank not only your YouTube, but you're also able to rank your other social properties because you're getting no follow backlinks, and people may come from this video and go to your other social properties and interact with them there. Now, one other thing to be able to drive interaction and draw the eyes when people are checking out your video description, we have the emoji picker. Now, with the emoji picker, it has every single emoji that is available in YouTube that you're able to use. So we have frequently used ones here. These are the top 10 frequently used ones. It's divided in sections like smiling and people. We have animals and nature, food and drink, activities, travel and places, objects, symbols, and flags. You're also able to come up here to the top and search for a specific keyword, and it'll have all the emojis that are related to that keyword. And as you scroll over them, it actually tells you on the bottom what it says. So like this one, automated teller machine, money bag, credit card. So it tells you what it is, and it has the information here on the bottom to show it to you. And so basically, if you want to go ahead and add something here, you find the one you want and you click it, and it adds it wherever you click it. All right, so you're very quickly and easily able to segment what you want in your review video description builder. All right, so we'll come over here, we'll draw some attention over here. All right, so now you see that we have definitive sections here that are called out with our emojis. We have everything that we need for a good SEO score for our video so that we're able to rank. So let's go ahead and copy our description. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna come over here to our description, and we have everything in here that we need to be able to do good ranking and have good SEO for our video. So it is ready to go. So now we have our tags here. Let's go ahead and copy our tags, and then we are able to come down and we go to our tag section. We paste our tags in there. Now we have a well fleshed out, ready to rank YouTube video description. Now let's go ahead and save this, and then I will go ahead and show you how to do the rest with the little added bonuses inside. All right, so we haven't done any of the back-end stuff or interaction stuff where we're actually sending it out to our subscribers, but then after doing YouTube SEO for the video, we are already ranking for several of the keyword terms for the new release video where they give you a little bit of an edge. Now we just need to work on the rest of our interactions where we send it out to our followers. We do our email, we do interaction, stuff like that, but just creating the video with good SEO, targeted at the specific keyword with the hashtags, the description, and all of that, it helps you quickly and easily go through and be able to create SEO ranking descriptions without having to use 9 other apps. Now we have the video here, and underneath the video we have 2 options. We have one is a video transcription with AI generated punctuation. So basically we click on this button here and you see how it's thinking. It is actually going to pull out the SRT file and pull out the transcription, and then it's going to give us punctuation so that we're able to put it inside of a blog post or inside of an ebook, so that we're able to take our information and our content and help it rank. So if we're using stuff like YT Evolution, then we are able to have the automated website created with videos embedded, and then we can quickly add our video transcription in there to help us have more relevant ranking content on that post to help us easily rank on Google as well. So we'll go here, we'll open it. So we have our video transcription ready to rock. We're able to just copy it and paste it into whatever builder we have, whether it's an ebook builder or whether it is a WordPress post or on our blog or anything like that. So the great thing is we are using AI machine learning to be able to do all of the apostrophes and the commas and the periods and the exclamation points. So it makes it really readable, really quick, all in one interface. So you don't have to go over and use another program. It's all inside. Some programs are charging a couple $100s just to do this. You get it inside the app. All right. Next, as we go through the video, you are going to be able to take screenshots. So you go to wherever you want and you just click the screenshot button, and it's going to take a screenshot wherever it is. So let's go ahead and open that up, and it's going to be high quality screenshots from wherever you are. You're able to use this also in your ebook, on your blog posts, and it actually saves it at the specific time when it was taken. So let's go ahead and go to another one. Let's see one here. So I'm showing the box. All right, so I'm showing the box, and I like this one. So I just click the button, and then it automatically does the download at that time. Now you see here, we're at 1:07, and right here I have 1 minute and 7 seconds. So it's downloading at a specific time. You don't lose order of the screenshots, and you're able to quickly and easily put them inside your ebook or your blog post as well, so that you can use your content, make it more relevant, and be able to get more viewers on your site longer.
I'd like to thank Daniel for that fully loaded demo of the PCS Tube Growth extension. And as you can see on my screen here, I have a bunch of people's their comments, testimonials, and stuff like that of what they think of the tool, how they're using the tool daily, as myself. And don't forget, below this video in the description section, where you can pick up a copy of the description templates I promised you. Okay, that's your free gift. And also the link below to this product will be there. And if you like content like this and you'd like to have more of it available to you, just don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe to the channel and the notification bell so that you can be notified as soon as I drop more reviews and also YouTube tips and telling you how to get your channel monetized, okay? Until the next video, my name is Julian. This is Just Facts Reviews, and I will see you in the next video.